I want to review for you today the Osea Undaria Algae Body Oil. If you've not gotten on the Osea train, now is your time. Let me tell you about this oil. It's amazing and I absolutely love it. It is firming, it is non-greasy, it is fast absorbing, it is vegan, cruelty-free seaweed moisturizer. This is a brand new bottle that I just opened up. It does come in a bottle container with a pump, and I absolutely love it after bath time. Skin revitalizing. It is lightweight, non-greasy. It is enriched with Undaria Algae for nourishing and skin firming benefits. It's a must-have. It's a dry body oil suitable for various body care needs. It's luxurious. Y'all, it's absolutely wonderful. It does give you a pump pro tip. Hold the product firmly so that it doesn't spin, and because it is a glass bottle, you got to make sure you hold it really firm when you're pumping down on it to put it on your body. But y'all, it is amazing. It is also amazing with the with a few of the other products that I'm going to be reviewing. So look for those as well, because there's a cream that goes with it that is fantastic, especially when you use them both together. So if you've not tried this yet, for winter months, for summer months, it makes my skin just glisten in the summer, and it truly hydrates beautifully in the winter. So it's something that you need. It would make a great gift, holiday gift, birthday gift, anything. It's the Osea brand, fantastic body oil. Put it in your cart today.